Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
On this Valentine's Day, the weather couldn't be better. Get out there and enjoy with your Valentine. Nothing but sunshine out there this morning. We've got some low-level clouds moving onshore by the coastal areas of Miami-Dade and Broward, but overall, nothing but sunshine is going to greet you as you open up that front door and you're headed into work or taking the kids to school this morning. There's still a bit of a chill in the air, so you might need a light sweater or jacket, but overall temperatures are running anywhere between 12 and 15 degrees warmer than what we woke up to yesterday. The atmosphere very dry from Lake Okeechobee all the way down to Key West, and that's how things will stay. We have high pressure in place, providing for that dry, stable atmosphere throughout portions of the state. Now, just to the north of us, there is a frontal boundary that is producing some showers throughout the Panhandle. All the storms are expected to stay away from us as we go into the middle and the end of the week. Look at our temperatures warming up already with all that sunshine. 66 degrees Pompano Beach, 63 Fort Lauderdale, 56 Pembroke Pines, 58 Miami, 56 in Miccosukee, as well as Homestead, with the winds moving in from the east anywhere between 3 and possibly even 8 miles per hour. Take a look at the Keys. We've got 8-mile-per-hour winds in Key West, 69 degrees, 68 degrees in Marathon, with the winds moving in at about 3 miles per hour. So take a look at what I'm watching from coast to coast. We have high pressure in place over the western Atlantic, and where it's located, that will provide for our wind flow to move in off the ocean, increasing our relative humidity as well as our temperatures. We are watching this frontal boundary bringing a lot of snow throughout portions of the Great Lakes into the northeast. Now you can see where the cold air is, just hovering throughout the northern portions of the U.S. That's why we're seeing snow throughout Michigan in towards Ohio and Pennsylvania and New York. Otherwise, from Tennessee all the way down towards the Panhandle, temperatures much warmer, so we're seeing rain. We do have another front moving into portions of Salt Lake City, and the rain stretching all the way down to southern half of California. Temperatures you can see in the 20s and 30s far to the northern portions of the U.S. That's because the jet stream has retreated to the north, and that's why the warmer air is starting to settle in across the Gulf Coast states and for us here in South Florida. High pressure will act as a roadblock, keeping that storm system to the north. Will be a few degrees warmer today. Highs will be in the upper 70s, right where we should be this time of year. Mostly dry conditions and sunny for your Valentine's Day. Marine forecast calls for a threat of rip currents, Miami-Dade and Broward. There are no advisories if you'd like to do some boating on this Valentine's Day. The bay will be at a light chop. For even lower Keys, no advisories, and nearshore waters at a moderate chop. Highs in the upper 70s. A lovely day for the Valentines out there. Lows will be in the low to mid 60s. We are looking at the mid to upper 60s throughout mainly the Keys. Here's your 7 on 7. Take a look at this. We warm up in a hurry. By Thursday, lows will be in the lower 70s with highs well above average in the lower 80s. Have a great Tuesday.